adventures. Welcome back to Aaron and Jess. This is stealth camp number 8.
This is definitely gonna be the sketchiest stealther we've done so far. And I definitely think I speak for the both of us when I say we're a little nervous.
Especially with all the homeless encampments that have been popping up across Canada this past year.
The authorities in the community definitely don't take kindly to people camping in public spaces. And of course, we're no exception. We're here at Charles Daley Park in Grimsby, Ontario. And just like expected,
it looks very busy.
It is packed. So now you guys probably get what we meant when we said that this is going to be one of the sketchier stealth camps that we've done. Probably at least 100 cars in this parking lot, and it's a 22.5 acre beach. So we're going to lay low for a bit. Take Tucker for a walk. Take the animal out for a walk. The goal for the video is to stealth camp on the beach. That's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned. Hopefully we don't get caught.
Or kicked out.
Pray for us, y'all.
Tucker will definitely not be swimming in this water. It is packed. Do you see Toronto? Because I see Toronto.
Go! It's a good way to tire out the puppy.
He's tired.
Come on, bud, bring me the ball. Come on.
Oh, okay. He has some more energy than we thought.
Holy.
That's super cool.
Guy's ripping. I wish we had a boat.
I wish we could go fishing on a boat. We found the perfect spot to cook dinner. Lakeside view.
Got some T-bone steaks for dinner, courtesy of Jess's dad, Eddie. Thanks, Ed. This is gonna be good.
Oh, baby. Who doesn't love corn on the cob? Lots of butter. That looks good.
All the duckies are coming. They smell our food. It's hard to see, but it's getting dark pretty quickly.
Coming in. Bon appetit.
Cheers.
Cheers.
That was too good. Right, Tuck?
Delicious.
Tucker got some steak.
Mm-hmm. Spoiled doggy.
Mm-hmm. All right, guys. Well, it is officially 11 o'clock. Parking lot is dying down. There's a few people, I think, just hanging out in their cars, but we're going to go make our move.
Are you ready?
I'm a little nervous, but...
Let's do it.
Tucker, don't start barking. Let's do this. All right, well, we've officially made our mark.
We're doing this.
We're walking towards the beach. All right, well, we got our beach tent set up. Tucker's being good.
All right.
Ready to go. Look at those views. For those of you who are veterans, you've definitely seen these before. These are self-inflating sleeping pads. They work pretty good, but they typically need a little bit of help self-inflating. Big shout out to UB for giving us this new sleeping bag. And just like that,
this is home for tonight.
We are all set up. Just a man, his girl, and his pup. Sitting in the beach tent at the public beach. Camping where you're not supposed to be camping.
Don't tell anybody.
There isn't another soul for probably 10 kilometers on each side that we know of.
Yeah.
Hopefully no one rolls up on us, but I think we'll be fine. Got our own little private beach area, and like I said, doesn't get much better than this. Right, Tuck? Are you a happy boy?
Yeah, he is.
You look like a happy boy. It's currently about 21 degrees, and honestly, can't complain. I am warm. Hopefully we get a good night's sleep. I'm not getting eaten by mosquitoes, so that's nice. It's a shame that all that light pollution, you can't see any stars. Maybe we should have went down there, but not much we can do now. We're all set up, and time to just chillax, try to fall asleep. Tucker's currently sleeping, so we're definitely pretty happy about that. How you doing?
Good. Just enjoying it.
Just enjoying it. Yeah. Doesn't get much better than this, guys.
Well, guys, we're just relaxing now. We're probably gonna head to bed soon. We'll let you know if anything exciting happens during the night. Good night.
That was one of the worst sleeps I think we've had yet.
Mm-hmm. That goes in with the hammock sleeping.
It wasn't cold, but we got eaten by mosquitoes.
We had to cover our faces all night.
We definitely need to buy some inflatable sleeping pillows, because my head was just on the flat sleeping pad all night, and that was horrible. I know Tucker had a hard time sleeping last night. It's currently 6 a.m. and it's looking like it's time to get out of here.
Pack up and go.
Yeah, before anybody notices us. I guess that means we officially got away with stealth camping! Woo-hoo! We got away, baby! Time to get out of here. Alright guys, well just like that marks the end of the video.
Thank you so much for watching.
Like always, if you enjoy content like this, please smash that like button and consider subscribing.
Leave us a comment.
And yeah, leave us a comment. We read every single one of them and we appreciate all the love we've gotten so far. So, oh. Drop my phone. You can see our sweet little banner back there. Anyways,
we're going to bed. Good night.
Night, guys.